If you've ever set in and out points in DaVinci Resolve and then realized you want to clear them, remove just one of them, or get a better view of your entire timeline, this video is going to help you out. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to remove in and out points in DaVinci Resolve 20 using simple keyboard shortcuts so you can work faster and stay organized while editing. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick DaVinci Resolve tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, make sure the timeline or viewer window is the active focus. That part is important because these shortcuts only work properly when DaVinci Resolve knows where you're working. So just click once inside the timeline area or inside the viewer to activate it. Now, if you want to clear both the in point and the out point at the same time, use the shortcut Alt+X on Windows or Option+X on Mac. This is the fastest way to reset your range selection and remove both markers in one move. It's especially useful when you've already used the in and out points for playback, trimming, or exporting, and now you want a clean slate. If you only want to remove the in point while keeping the out point, press Alt+I on Windows or Option+I on Mac. This is helpful when you still want to preserve the endpoint of your selection, but you need to redefine where the range starts. For example, if you are marking the beginning of a clip or section and want to adjust just that starting boundary, this shortcut saves you from manually resetting everything. On the other hand, if you only want to remove the out point while keeping the in point, press Alt+O on Windows or Option+O on Mac. This is the exact opposite action, and it's great when you've already marked the beginning of a section but want to change or clear the endpoint without affecting the rest of your selection. So to quickly recap those three shortcuts, Alt+X or Option+X clears both points, Alt+I or Option+I clears only the in point, and Alt+O or Option+O clears only the out point. These are small shortcuts, but they can make a huge difference when you're editing quickly and trying to keep your workflow smooth. Now, there's one more really useful shortcut you should know. Press Shift+Z to zoom the timeline so the entire project fits in view. This does not remove your in and out points, but it helps you see the full length of your sequence at once. That makes it much easier to spot anything left behind at the far ends of a long timeline, including stray markers, clips, or range selections that may not be obvious when you're zoomed in close. This is a great habit to build into your editing workflow. Anytime you're cleaning up a timeline, checking your work, or making sure no selection markers are still active, use Shift+Z to get the big picture. Then you can confirm everything is set up exactly the way you want. And that's all there is to it. Removing in and out points in DaVinci Resolve 20 is fast, simple, and much easier once you know the right shortcuts. Whether you want to clear both points, remove just one side, or zoom out and inspect your whole timeline, these commands will save you time on every edit. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and check out the next video for even more editing shortcuts and workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.